The US markets are rebounding today after a brutal start to the week. Is the trade war finally cooling off? Let's take a look at the markets. The Dow Jones Industrial Average is up over 300 points, almost 1%. The S&P 500 and the Nasdaq are also seeing green. All three of these major indexes were down yesterday. The Nasdaq was hit particularly hard with a 2.6% drop. So what's driving the markets higher today? Well, it looks like the trade war between the US and China may be cooling off. There are reports that the US is considering removing some of the tariffs on Chinese imports. This would boost the economy and help ease inflation. Of course, this is just one piece of good news in what has been a very challenging year for investors. We are still dealing with high interest rates, a strong dollar and geopolitical uncertainty. But if the trade war does indeed end soon, that will be a major boost for the markets. So what do you think? Are you bullish or bearish for the rest of the year? Let me know your thoughts.